This is a collection of my hose end sprayers. So they're arranged approximately from the most expensive to the least expensive. You can see I've got a pretty good collection of them. I use them a lot. I've got a lot of hoses. I got 3 acres, big yard. Wait a minute, something's missing here. Oh yeah, that thing. Ugh. Don't forget that guy. It's down there at that end. So I'll tell you one thing. Out of all these, my favorite is right here. This is the Gilmour. This is a practically indestructible plastic nozzle. It's simple. There's no adjustments. It does have this little flip down here in case you want to lock it open, but other than that, there's nothing to do with it. You just squeeze the trigger. You want to spray, you squeeze a little. You want to stream, you squeeze more. You want everything, you squeeze a lot. It's not going to rust or corrode. I'll tell you what though, the other ones have something that this doesn't. Corrosion. Yep, they got corrosion. They also have these little knobs that fall off all the time. So the Gilmour doesn't have that, but I'm not going to fault it for that. I mean, these things are just, they're just bang up crazy. You know, you can attach a garden hose to the end of that too. I don't know why you'd actually do that. But these are great. They do come with a lifetime warranty, but they're so inexpensive. I mean, it wouldn't even be worth sending it back. I keep a collection of these around. This is my go-to for everything. Here, I'll go show you how it works. See this one? I don't know, it's probably at least a year old. Gets beat up. It's outside all the time. Sun, rain, wind, hurricanes, whatever. But you know what? You push it, it sprays. You push it more, it sprays a lot. You want to, how fine you want it, you know? It's just super simple. Always works. I replace them once in a while. I mean, they do eventually break. I run them over with cars. I abuse them. I'm very, very hard on these things. But by and far, these are my favorites. I buy these in quantity. So if you want a good nozzle, just does what it's supposed to do, highly recommend this Gilmour nozzle.